If you're a student trying to decide which word processor to use, this video will compare Microsoft Word with Google Docs and LibreOffice to help you choose the best tool for assignments, projects, and note-taking. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more study and productivity tips. Microsoft Word remains a popular choice among students for its powerful formatting options, professional templates, and offline access. It's excellent for writing essays, reports, and research papers that require structured formatting, references, and tables. Word also integrates well with other Microsoft 365 apps like PowerPoint and Excel, which is useful for creating complete school projects. Google Docs, on the other hand, is perfect for collaboration and cloud-based accessibility. Students can work on group assignments in real time, leave comments, and track edits from any device with an internet connection. Google Docs automatically saves work to the cloud, reducing the risk of losing files, and allows easy sharing with classmates or teachers. LibreOffice is a free alternative that offers many of Word's features offline. It supports document formatting, templates, and references, making it suitable for students who prefer free software or need a reliable offline option without subscription fees. While it doesn't have cloud collaboration built in like Google Docs, it's powerful for standalone document creation and can export files compatible with Word. In summary, the best choice depends on your needs as a student. Choose Microsoft Word if you need advanced formatting and offline access, Google Docs if you collaborate frequently on group work, and LibreOffice if you want a free, full-featured offline alternative. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more student-friendly productivity tips.